I have to say we're gonna make mashed potatoes.
That wouldn't make sense.
That wouldn't make sense at all.
Mm. Then all of a sudden, go. Oh, we could just do this while singing. It is the mash. It's the potato mash.
You know, last time I shot this, Shaman was like, oh, we don't have enough time. So she cut me off like halfway through. Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to be using mashed potatoes for our 2-plate gourmet episode. Let's begin, shall we? First, we'll start off with our 1 onion, garlic, our pepper jack cheese, beef, parsley, salt, pepper, and of course our 3 red potatoes, not the Idaho ones. We're going to first dice up our onions and then dice up our parsley. Next, we're going to peel our red potatoes before proceeding to cutting them into nice halves. This will make it easier for the boiling process. We'll set them in a pot of water and cover it and set it aside. Next, in a bowl, we're going to grate our pepper jack cheese till it's all nice and dandy. Once that's done, we're going to set that aside. Once our potatoes are finished boiling, we're going to check it with our fork to make sure it's nice and soft. The softer the potatoes, the better this recipe will come out. Next, over medium heat, we're going to sweat out our onions until they are translucent before we begin to add in our 1 pound of grounded beef. Now, once browning occurs, just keep turning it to make sure it doesn't burn on either side. Add in 1 tablespoon of garlic and season generously with kosher salt and black pepper. We'll turn it for about 2 to 3 more minutes before proceeding to add in our shredded pepper jack cheese. Feel free to use mozzarella if you like. Use a whole bunch. This will give the meat a more viscous texture. Taste it. It's good. Next, we're going to mash our potatoes in a nice clear bowl and come to the awkward realization that our bowl isn't big enough. Well, realize we can't find a bigger bowl, and we'll move on to using a fork to alleviate our headache. Once this is done, we're going to season with salt and pepper to taste, of course, and set that aside. Next, using our cookie cutter, we're going to place our mashed potatoes inside and just pat it down till it's nice and even. Use the cover if necessary. I'll link it in the description where you can buy this. Once that's done, over medium heat, we're going to heat up about a tablespoon of olive oil, and we're just going to toast the sides. Flip it carefully. Try again. Flip it on the other side just to get that nice golden crisp on each side. We're going to do the same thing again with the beef on our cookie cutter. This time we're not putting it on a skillet. Just even it out and flatten it, making sure to get all sides. Fill that in, flatten it some more, and then gently and carefully lay in our mashed potato. Now you want to do this process really carefully but confidently. You can do this. After that, just lift it up ever so slightly. Don't mess this up. Don't mess this up. Don't mess it up. You got this. Almost there. Come on. Come on. Almost there. Right there. Ah, perfect. Season or top with parsley and some remaining cheese. And ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. We don't do a lot of side shots in this series, but let's take a good look at this one. Nice. Beautiful.
Hey guys, my name is Julia, and today I will be making mashed potatoes with crab meat. And now I'm just moving my hands, acting like I got stuff to say. Okay, let's get it. First we start with a potato. Bam. Salt, orange soy sauce, lemon, a handful of crab meat, parsley, butter, and garlic. A parade of tastiness. March, babies, march. All these ingredients will be used to make a mouth-watering dish, so let's get started. Let's start with peeling our potato. Then cut it into small pieces so it can boil faster. Since we are cutting stuff, might as well cut out crab meat. Even before cooking, I want to take a bite. I don't recommend that, so please don't. Look at that piece. Voila! Let's put this aside. Now back to the potatoes. Put the pieces in a pot and boil them for like 8 to 10 minutes or when you know it's soft. Now they are boiled and ready. Look at that steam. Now back to the crab meat. You would need to put butter on the pan. I love butter, so I put a lot. You could put as much as you like, but just enough to soak in the crab meat. Spread it around. Add soy sauce, I mix it with lemon. Then add the crab meat. Spread the love. Add salt, pepper, and garlic. Hey potatoes, we missed you. So we smashed them and we add some more butter. And we smash some more. Smash some more. Smash some more. Then we add some salt, pepper, and garlic. Ready? And time to plate it. Stack it up. Add a little style. Parsley on the top. Make it rain. Bam. And there you have it.
Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see the trailer for this episode, click up here.
And if you want more, click the bottom right.
Now you can take the bowl away. That wasn't the least productive.